Hello everyone, let's start our analysis for gold and starting with Forex Trading, bank holiday on Friday, 4th of July 2025, and there's no USD market is closed. However, rest of the markets of the world will be open. Okay, let's starting with monthly start of month, and you can see that it's going to the upside, and previous month was a double doji, previous 2 months. Also, weekly currently bearish. Previous week broke with the engulfing this level here, and now going on to daily. Daily was fine, going to the upside until it broke this area and broke this level as well, and now tested this level, going to the upside. Then we have another resistance here. So looks like we're gonna move around like that, but we have to go into smaller time frame, see what's happening. The smaller time frame, right? 4 hour clearly bearish, and as you can see that it has tested this level, this gap as well, and from there it's trying to come down because this area is broken here. So it's likely they can test this before move to the downside. Just from here it can come down. But going to the 1 hour chart, clearly this area is broken, the downside, and may see a spike here then to the downside around this area maybe. But this kind of situation is building up, and for a good trade we should see from here or sell from here on the retest. So let's see, it's not very good setups at the moment. Although you can see that this was a level here. So buy from here, buy from here. But if you want a good trade setup, we probably see sell from here or on the retest break or retest sell here. So let's see how the market behaves. Nothing is perfect, but you have to manage your risk. We have to manage the risk and the reward. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Good night. Bye.